In this video, I'm going to show you how to assign activities to team members in Pipedrive. If you need to quickly hand off follow-ups, calls, or meetings to someone else on your team, this simple process will keep your pipeline organized and your team aligned. We'll walk through exactly where to click, what to look for, and a few helpful tips so you feel confident making the change in seconds. Start by heading to the Activities section on the left sidebar. This is your central hub for everything scheduled across deals, contacts, and organizations. It's usually represented by a calendar or checkmark icon. Opening this view shows your upcoming and past items in either a list or calendar format, depending on how you last used it. The Activities page is where you'll manage task ownership without leaving your current workflow. Next, select the activity you want to assign or reassign. Click directly on the activity from the list or calendar to open its details. You'll see information like the activity type, subject, due date, and related person or deal. Take a moment to confirm you've picked the correct item, especially if you have multiple activities with similar names or times. This avoids unnecessary back and forth later. Inside the activity details, look for the Assigned To field. This is the setting that determines who owns the task. It usually appears near the top alongside the due date and activity type. The label may read Assigned To, Owner, or Assigned User depending on your layout, but it serves the same purpose. It specifies who is responsible for completing the activity and receiving any reminders. Now, click the drop-down in the Assigned To field and select the team member you want. You can scroll or start typing to quickly find the right person. You'll only see users who are part of your Pipedrive account and have the proper permissions. As soon as you choose their name, the activity is reassigned. The change appears immediately, and the new owner will see it on their activities list. They may also receive a notification based on their personal settings. And there you go. That's all it takes. A quick recap. Open Activities from the left sidebar, pick the activity you want, find the Assigned To field, and choose the correct teammate from the dropdown. Double-check that the due date and details still make sense for the new owner, and you're done. With this simple flow, you can keep tasks moving smoothly and make sure every activity is in the right hands. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.